YouTube family. Welcome back, man. What's going on with y'all today? Good to have y'all. Good to see y'all. Once again, man, it is your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy coming at you today with an unboxing video, man. Your boy will be opening up some boxes today. So hit that like button, man. It's just boxes, but hit that like button. It's free. It's free, man. Hit that like button. But as I said, man, good to have y'all with your boy, man. Thank y'all for clicking on another one of the videos. This is y'all first time seeing your boy or y'all rocking out with the fam, man. Make sure y'all tune in, hit that subscribe button. We on the road to 100K over here, and it's a plenty a lot of. We can say that, but the correct way is there is a lot of dope things that we are bringing to the channel, man, and that we have planned for the channel, man. So make sure y'all don't miss out. Make sure y'all hit that notification bell, do all that good stuff. Hey, man, you see what's going on, man. Sneak peek, sneak peek. Let's check it out. Bang! Ooh, yes sir, coming soon, man. The Air Jordan 1 Pollens, man. Got a first look coming for y'all here shortly, man. So make sure y'all tune in, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subbed up. But yes, man, I do have it coming soon, so make sure y'all tap in. You do not want to miss this one. This is a dope upcoming sneaker, man. So make sure y'all tune in. If y'all are not subbed up, make sure y'all do that now so you do not miss any of the dopeness coming. But that's just a quick little sneak peek, man. But let's open up some boxes, shall we? Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bang! Okay, box number one, man. We ain't gonna drag this out. My knife fell. Whoa, box almost fell. But hey, we ain't gonna drag it out too long, man. Box number one, your boy picked up a package that I had to have these, man. This isn't too much crazy hype over these shoes, but it's a sneaker that your boy personally had to have, man. Let me know if y'all picked these up. Let me know if y'all feeling them, man. But yes, this does commemorate the colors of my hometown of Miami, Florida. So yes, your boy had to cop and open it up. Hold on, should I do a thumb? Man, I ain't even do no thumbnail, man. Let me get a thumbnail real quick. Hold on. Yeah. Alright. As I was saying, got a box right here. Had to get this one. But taking out the shoe. What could that be? What could that be? This comes from Bang! The Reebok family, man. Your boy had to pick up some Reeboks. The color, well, the name of the shoe is Kamikaze 2 Low Men's. And let's get up close and see what your boy done picked up, man. So you got that navy blue on the top, white Reebok, red bottom. Take a look at that size tag right there. We ain't doing no review. We just showing y'all what your boy done picked up. But yep. Opening it up, what we got? Is it gonna show? Nah, we got some paper. Alright, so below that paper, we got Bang! The Reebok Kamikaze Lows, man. And to me, this is the Miami Dolphin colorway. You know what I'm saying? Like, had to have these. This is a dope shoe, in my opinion. Low top shoe, nice for the summer. Very clean, you know what I'm saying? Like, just a dope shoe, man. And I had to cop them. So these released when I think it was on, forgot what date, man. I want to say maybe the 15th or something like that, July 15th. I forgot the exact date, but yeah, man, it does have some hues of pink in there, as you can see. Got it on the front tongue, on the back, as well as right here on this Reebok sign, and then a little bit right here on the front coming up, man. So dope shoe, man. It has decent leather quality on it. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm gonna be doing a review and on feet. Let me know, man. Let me know if y'all gonna watch the video if I do a review on feet to these down below in the comment section. And your boy will bring y'all what y'all want to see, man. But y'all gotta watch the video, so I ain't gonna put in the work unless y'all watch it, man. But yes, man, here they go. The Reebok Kamikaze Low in the Miami Dolphin colorway. Had to add these to the collection because to me, this is dopeness, man. But that is shoe number one, man. Let's go ahead and rock out and see what your boy done picked up in the other box. Oh, Bird, my guy, appreciate you. Bang, man. Hey, this box comes from my Brody, Bird Kicks, man. See it right there, man. Make sure you tap in, follow Bird Kicks if you need any early kicks, Pollens, Lightning 4s, these shoes right here, man. Make sure y'all tap in, follow him on IG, hit him up, tell him Jay sent you, but you gotta make sure your bread is right. Gotta make sure your bread is right, man. Don't try to lowball my guy, man. You know, hey, you know how the cycle goes. You get it from the plug, you gotta pay the plug price, then you gotta pay the second person price, and so on and so forth. So if you don't know, gotta tap into it. But make sure y'all follow Bird, get y'all some early legit kicks, and yeah, man, your boy put a stamp on it. But anyways, man, yes, this one right here I had to get. This shoe is unreleased, and it will sell out in seconds. We ain't even gonna debate that. This shoe right here will sell out in seconds. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna pop it open, see what's in here, and I think I'm gonna do a review on feet to these when the time comes. But opening up the box, man, like I said, I had to get these because, you know, it was going for a good price at the time that I purchased them, and I see these shoes going for way more than what I paid for them. So without any further ado, man, taking it out the box, we got a orange Nike box, man. You see it, shiny glossy Nike right there on the front, Nike right there written on the side. Size tagging reads Nike LD waffle /SF, man. What could that be? Color blocking is light smoke gray, white, black, man. Let y'all take a peek at that for yourself, man. Check that out right there. That is the size tab. If y'all want to pause it and guess it, be my guess. Damn, no pun intended. Anyways, hey, we gonna pop it open real quick, see what these are that will sell out instantly, no doubt about it, no questions. We ain't even gonna argue it. Sliding it open, you see you got that Nike paper right here. So we gonna get up close and we gonna do this. Does this come out? Nah, it doesn't. But got that Nike paper right there, that Sakai paper. But opening that up, okay, we got something right here that is wrapped up pretty good, man. What we got here in this wrap? Let me take this out real quick. Yeah, look, it comes nicely wrapped up, boy, looking like a brick. Hey, man, y'all disregard me, man, but let me unwrap this right here, man, and see what we got, man. Bang! We got the Nike Sakai LD waffle and fragment design.
Plus I doubled up, shot it, so sue me. You can say I'm in my bag, no Louis. Greatness in my jeans, no true it. It be bangers only, I'm reviewing. Bangers on bangers, I'm popping now. J on no roll, ain't no stopping now. Whip out them laces, we bopping now. You know the name, Mr. Swap It Out.
Bang! Yes, sir, man. You see them joints, man. The Nike Sakai and Fragment collab. These have no release date as of right now, but look forward to seeing them soon because they are hitting retailers right now, man. So a lot of your little mom and pop shops and stores such as that do have these shoes in their stock rooms. They're starting to be shipped out to them from Nike. So I would expect for them to have expected release date soon, man. But take a look at them, man. Take a look at them joints right there, man. Double swoosh, you know, and you got the classic Fragment Sakai right there written on that infamous back part that sticks out that looks like it's not supposed to be there. But dope, man. And then you have some more information on the inside of the shoe. If you want to pause it and read it, you can. But yeah, these are just dope, man. Got that nice, when I say nice, furry suede on the back heel of them, man. Very dope shoe. Front of it, you got your double tag, Nike tag, and your Sakai tag. Take a look at it, man. Very dope shoe. And I know these shoes gonna do numbers because just the waffle, the LD waffle by themselves, man, they are doing crazy numbers. If you look at the all white pair, they're going for around $800 to $900 depending on size, and this does mimic that shoe in certain ways. But you just got with this right here written on it, man, that'll give you an extra $200-300 if not more, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, that's them. That is the two shoes. Where my other one at? Let me grab it real quick because I done put it up. But that is the two shoes right here that your boy done picked up, man. Let me know, do y'all want to see a review on feet to these, man? Because like I said, if y'all don't want to see it, I ain't gonna drop it, bro. We ain't got time to waste. But I might definitely do the review on feet to these because this right here is dopeness, and I think a lot of you guys will be interested in seeing that. But yeah, man, that's it, man. Your boy had to get both of these shoes in the collection. I also got another package over there that I need to unbox and show y'all, which is something dope too. But we gonna get to that in another video because I ain't trying to drag this out. You see the Pollens, got that early look, and I got that review on feet coming for y'all, as well as the Electro Orange reviewing on feet. I ain't forgot about them. I got them coming, man. Just bear with your boy, but I got it all coming. But let me know what y'all think about my pickups. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Y'all stay blessed. Y'all stay healthy. Your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy is checking out with my 2 new sneakers, man. Hey, just something to throw in the collection, man. But I'm I'm gone, man. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.